Well, good morning, everybody. This is another day of Explore Japan, and we are Explore Travel TV. I'm David,
I'm Jen.
and this is like I don't even know what day it is now. 6, 7. We have a couple more days left, I think, of the cruise.
It's the 6th, maybe.
6th day on the cruise. There's a lot going on. We have done a lot of stuff, and today we're in what was it, Tokushima, Japan. And according to our little book here, we're going to go on a little private boat to see some whirlpools. There's some naturally occurring whirlpools. And then we have a performance. They're doing a performance lunch for us today, so it should be pretty fun. Probably not as much walking as we've been doing before. We do a lot of walking on this last few tours. It's supposed to be a really nice day up in the upper 70s. So that's why we got shorts on and t-shirts and so forth. Are you excited for today?
I'm excited for today, especially that performance.
Yeah.
Because that has to do with culture and history and so forth, and I really like that.
You really like that kind of stuff. We get a lot of culture and stuff on here. So again, this is Japanet Tours. This is a private excursion, private cruise, private everything on this thing, which is super, super nice. But not so private that you can go. You can just contact me and I can book you on a trip like this one. Again, we've got a lot of videos before. A little quick tip of the day, cruise tip of the day. I wanted to show, this is one of the things that I bring. This is a station USB port charger kind of thing, because you're kind of limited with the plugs here, and nowadays with everything being plugged in, if you have anything that plugs in through USB, which are like my cameras, your phones, watches, all these kind of things, this one plug can have a lot of these different USBs. Now these are mostly USB-Cs, and then there's one USB-A, so you have to make sure you get the right cords to plug into that. But I'll leave links to this down below for you. It's an Amazon link. If you do purchase it, then I get a few cents out of it. But anyways, one of the things we take when we travel, very nice to have, because we plug a lot of stuff in. Right? Anything else to start off?
No, let's go get coffee.
Yeah.
We can't start our day without coffee.
That's right. Our tour starts at 10:30. It's about 9:30 now, so we have about an hour to go up and get some breakfast. We're just doing the World Cafe. We're not doing the fancy restaurant stuff, so we can get a few things. We have lunch at about noonish, and if you've followed along, you've seen what our lunches are. They're huge lunches. The Japanese that make really, really good lunches, and we're going to have that with the performance today. So let's go have breakfast and enjoy this new town that we're in Japan.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, that was a really good day today. If you saw it, we did the, what is it called? The Awa Odori performance with all those kids, and dancing was so nice. You saw videos of that, and the whirlpool thing was good, and the lunch was good, the whole thing.
The bento lunchbox was
Bento lunchbox was good. We decided to come back and go to the spa. We went up and had the lobster dinner tonight, and we decided to do the spa. I still have my glasses on because I'm going to read to you what we're doing tomorrow. Tomorrow is Toba, Japan. And I'm not sure exactly what we're doing. We're going to see a couple of shrines, they said.
Yeah.
Up to 2 of them. I think one is like the largest one in Japan or something very nice and sacred. So we're exhausted. We just got back from the spa. It's free to use anytime that you like, pretty much. It was really nice. Hot tub, steam room, the cold ice room, and all that stuff.
Snow room.
Snow room. We're exhausted. So I hope you enjoyed today's day with us, and be here for tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe and like and all that stuff, right?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
No, I'm just really tired. I'm so relaxed from going to the spa after dinner.
Yep.
It's so great.
So, as we say, life is short, so live it and travel more. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Night.